Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So if you are new to this channel, you know you're not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So we would want to see where this GBP USD will be moving for the 28th of November, right? So let's quickly do a quick recap or analysis on the weekly time frame to be able to understand these movements. We can see that first of all, the price has been giving us a bearish move, right, on this GBP USD. Then all of a sudden, this price started correcting itself. So you clearly can see that this price is on a bullish move. You can take a look at this as an impulse move. Here comes the correction. Here is the impulse move. Here comes the correction. Guess what again? A new impulse move is forming. So definitely this impulse move is not over. We want to see it actually push up a little bit before we kind of get that bearish move, which will be a pullback. So this on GBP USD, right, weekly time frame, we are on a bullish move. Secondly, is that you can see this moving average, which is 10 period moving average that guide us. Once it is above our moving average, then we are on a buy, right? So this is it. We are on a bullish move on this GBP USD. Now that will now take us down to the daily time frame to understand this movement. So we would want to see this full trend on the daily time frame. First of all, what is the full trend on this? This is a bullish move. Now take a look at this movement here. There was an impulse move on this GBP USD. Then a correction was made. Guess what? The correction failed to break this lows, previous lows, right? Then a new highs was made on GBP USD, which actually broke this previous highs. And this is an indication that this is an uptrend move. Here comes the correction. Guess what? The correction actually failed to break this lows again, right? A new highs was made. And guess what? The new highs actually broke this previous highs. Here comes the correction. The correction failed to break this previous higher lows. So this is actually an uptrend move. There's no doubt about that. So for the next day, right, we would be expecting a bullish move on this GBP USD. But let's see if a pullback will occur to hit this candlestick wick here. A little bit of a pullback, though not much. We should not expect much pullback on this GBP USD, just a little bit on this daily time frame. Then we would continue our bullish move, right? Secondly, is that this price on our daily time frame is also above our moving average. So since it is still above the moving average, then we have to look for a way to actually go long on this GBP USD. So this GBP USD, right, we are expecting to go bullish. So the targets we would want to hit before we might see a major drop or a major pullback or a good amount of pullback is that we want to see this price get to a level of 1.22362. The reason why I said so is that we all know that once price has jumped to a level previously and price gets to that same level, price tends to, or price is close to that level, then price will get to that level and react to that level. So we saw that price has reacted to this level, right? We saw price once kind of react to this level. We saw it reacted to this level twice, like double top, yeah. Reacted to this level again. So we now saw that price is close to this level. Then we expect this price to actually get to this level before we consider a good amount of pullback. So this is one of the reasons why Monday, Tuesday, we should expect a bullish move on GBP USD. So by within Monday, Tuesday, by 2 days, in time of two days, I don't know 2 days time, right? Or maximum 3 days time. Though if there's a good amount of bullish move on GBP USD, at least we should be able to see it in 2 days time. We need to take out this ice, then price can now start dropping on GBP USD. So let's see those 4 hour time frame. So this 4 hour time frame, what is the 4 hour time frame saying? So this 4 hour time frame is clearly on an uptrend mode. This is on a bullish mode. So this 4 hour time frame, we are clear on an uptrend mode. So let's see if a pullback will happen here, because we saw that reason why I'm saying there's every possibility a pullback will happen, because we saw price has tested this level here. We saw price reacted to this level, tested this level, and we saw it reacted to this level, tested this level. So if in case price will give us a pullback, we should see it hit this level before going up. So if in case this is a pullback, let's see the Fibonacci, what our Fibonacci retracement will say about this. So we will start from this bottom here and we take it at this high. So it makes sense for us to actually say that it will come here. So if in case this Fibonacci will drop further, we should see it drop to a level of 23.6. So Fibonacci retracement, we should get it to this level. So this is a level of 23.6. So if in case price will drop further down, we should see it tap a level of 23.6 before we continue our bullish move. There's every possibility it might not even get to that 23.6, but at least it should be close to the level then we continue our bullish move on GBP USD.